not gluten-free. I recently shared these with some vegan friends that are, and they devoured them. These are rich and tender and baked with simple ingredients like half a cup of oat flour mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, a quarter cup of ripe banana that you want brown and spotty for optimal flavor and nutrition. Not only does it contain more antioxidants, it also digests better and makes this muffin effortlessly sweet and soft. 5 tablespoons of raw cacao, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a half a cup of coconut or cashew milk, pink salt, and the chocolate you like or have. The first step is to pour the wet ingredients into a blender. Room temperature milk, then the oil, and brown sugar. You can make your own by combining unsulfured molasses with sugar. Just blend it up and you have brown sugar. Next goes in the banana, cacao, salt, and vanilla. Blend until smooth, then add in your oat flour and baking soda. And this is flour I just made by just simply blitzing rolled oats until they got fine. Lastly, add in as much chocolate bits as you want, reserving a bunch for the tops of the muffins as well. I baked mine at 350 for about 26 to 30 minutes, and you can find the full details in the description box below. These are rich and moist and taste indulgent, while being better for you and perfect for those with egg, dairy, or gluten allergies. You can certainly swap the brown sugar for coconut sugar, though a liquid sweetener would change the texture. Omit the baking soda for a fudgier texture and keep it for a fluffier one. Leftovers are great for chocolate and ice cream, which I had for breakfast. So yummy, and all you have to do is blend frozen spotty bananas with cacao, vanilla, and the slightest amount of cashew milk. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and you can find me daily on Instagram as well at @asquishymonster.